Welcome to my explanation video on how to use the weekly pacing guides. You will receive a weekly pacing guide email every Monday to start off the week that will show you and your student what they need to be doing for that week. So the email will look like this. You'll see a slight introduction, which will give you any updates for the week, and then you'll see this table calendar. This table is a suggested student pacing for the week. Each unit is actually due Sunday night at midnight, so students can rearrange the schedule to whatever fits their needs for that week. If they need to pile on more of their lessons at the beginning of the week because they want to take the weekend off, that's totally fine. They can also complete assignments later on in the week if the beginning of the week is busy with their other activities. So this is just a suggested pacing guide. It's a list of all the things that your student needs to do for this unit. And I view it as a checklist. So my recommendation is that you go to the top of your email and click this little print button. Go ahead and print it out at home. It doesn't have to be in color. Make sure you hit black and white because it will print these beautifully green and it will print my highlighting using your colored ink. So print it out in black and white, put it on your fridge, put it on a bulletin board. Help your student check off the tasks that they need to do during the week. So they can see that on Monday they need to open up the Unit 2 folder. They need to check off each of these bullet points is like a checkbox that they need to check off. So they need to view the whole introduction lesson, they need to view lesson 1 and work through the activities that are in that lesson that are immediately graded, instant feedback for your student, and then they need to complete this assignment, this Unit 2 Assignment 1. And then you can see that the next day, they're going to click on that assignment and read my feedback. So I'm grading assignments every day, and your student has a chance to redo assignments to earn more points. So the next day I've included a task that says, go back to your last assignment, read my comments, click View Assessment, and then resubmit that, rework those problems and resubmit that assignment for more points, and then go on to the next lesson. So you can see that each of these bullet points is a task that your student needs to complete. On the right-hand side, I also have updates. So for example, on Thursdays, I'm available for live e-tutoring sessions, which would be a video call with your student where I can view their screen and see exactly what they're working on and answer their questions in real time, which is really nice. So I'll be online from 9 to 11 Mountain Standard Time every Thursday, which is available to your student. And they can also always email me or give me a call if they have questions while they're working. So using this pacing guide, your student needs to check off all of these bullet points, each bullet point by Sunday night at midnight. And again, they can apportion those assignments however they would like. If they miss the deadline on my suggested pacing, that's totally fine, as long as they finish the unit by Sunday night at midnight. And this is an overview of the weekly pacing guide. Thank you.